Good evening, class. Today we will be talking about the blood vessels. Last week we talked about the circulatory system in general, and we started off with the heart. And yeah, let's do a quick review. Can anyone tell me the 4 chambers of the heart? I have snacks if you can tell me. Yes, Kate.
The right and left atrium, right and left ventricle.
Very good. I have blueberries and dark chocolate dipped almonds. Almonds. I got these blueberries. I got these because berries are really healthy for your heart and for having good blood flow. Also, dark chocolate is really good for your heart as well, and nuts and stuff. Okay, so we got the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Okay, who remembers the 3 different types of blood vessels? Got more snacks. Yes, Jake.
Arteries.
Yes, arteries, veins. Starts with C. Capillaries. Very good. Jake, what would you like, blueberries or dark chocolate? How about you, Lily?
Blueberries.
Blueberries. Awesome. Very good. Well done, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Now, do you guys know what the arteries do? Yes.
Pump blood away from the heart.
Yes, arteries pump blood away from the heart. Veins?
Toward.
Huh?
Towards heart.
Towards the heart. Very good. And then, okay, what would you like?
Blueberries, please.
Blueberries. Yes, Lily?
I'm okay.
Okay. And then the capillaries. So arteries carry blood from the heart to the rest of the body. The veins bring blood back to the heart. What kind of blood do the veins bring back?
Oxygenated?
Huh?
Oxygenated?
No, deoxygenated blood. Unlucky. You're good. Good guess, though. So the veins bring back deoxygenated blood back to the heart so that that blood can be loaded with oxygen again and be sent out through the arteries. And then the capillaries. We didn't talk too much about the capillaries. We'll talk about those next class. But they remove waste products from the tissue. And then I have a little something for you guys to keep it interesting. Because me just lecturing can get boring, so I brought you guys something to help you guys stay focused and not get so bored so fast. And I have this video that we can look at quickly. 1 second, guys. Copy. Okay, who has made friendship bracelets before? Everyone? Does everyone know how to do it? Dr. Brew, do you know how to do it?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Are you good? I have a little video that can give us a quick summary of how to make friendship bracelet. Okay.
You want me to turn the
Okay, so the main thing is that you want to make a 4, right? And then,
Then you put it under and pull it through.
so yeah, you see, she's keeping the white string straight, right? If you don't keep the white string straight, then the color scheme is going to be different.
And you're always going to do this twice.
And then after you do that twice, you move on to the next string and keep using the yellow
Let's call it forward now.
so that the color scheme continues. And then when you get all the way to the other side, you can use the white and continue in the same way that she's doing with the yellow. And you guys may be wondering, why am I doing this? Why am I doing friendship bracelets? Well, because I thought it would keep you guys interested and help you guys to listen, and a reminder of what the arteries are and what the veins are. So what color are arteries? Arteries are red. And then the veins are blue. But we just use blue and red to differentiate them in science. Just Dr. Bree, and then I gave you guys duct tape so you guys can work on it as you guys listen. I have a quiz later on. We have Kahoot later, so make sure you guys are focusing as well. But the arteries are red, right? And the veins are blue. And do we actually have blue blood in our body? No, we don't. This is just a way to differentiate, just as a model in science that we use. But in actuality, arteries are bright red, guys. And then veins are dark red. Hey, Riley, what color are actual artery blood? No, the bracelet is supposed to be an example of it, right?
Oh, so red?
Yeah, so arteries are red, okay? But in our body, arteries carry bright red blood, and then veins carry dark red blood. So, Riley, what color blood do veins carry in our actual body?
Dark red?
Very good. Well done. Would you like a cup of blueberries or almonds for that? Blueberries, awesome. Okay. As you guys work on that, you're welcome. We'll get into the lesson. And then also I forgot to mention that blood vessels, like in an adult person's body, is like 100,000 miles. If you take it out and stretch it into like one line, it would be 100,000 miles long, which would be like going around the earth 4 times. Just in one human body is that much blood vessels. Okay, so arteries. Arteries make up a big part of the circulatory system, right? So there's the heart, and then there are the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries we'll get into later. But they make a big part of it. They are like a tube-like structure where blood can flow through from the heart to the rest of the body. What arteries carry blood that is filled with, do you guys know? Yes, Riley. Oxygen, very good. And also nutrients. They carry nutrients to the body and hormones. So they're really important. There are three, so structure of arteries arteries have three layers. So it has an outer layer, which is called tunica externa, the middle layer called tunica media, and the inner layer called tunica intima. And each of these have different functions. So the tunica externa is crucial for connecting arteries to other tissues in the body, such as the vascular nerves, which control the smooth muscles in the arteries. In this way, the arteries do not move freely, but are organized and can stay in one place to be effective and consistent as they go through the blood circulation. And then tunica media is the middle layer, right? And this layer is made up of smooth muscle as well that can dilate or constrict. Taylor, what does it mean to dilate? Gets larger, yes. And then Lily, what does it mean to constrict?
Gets smaller.
Yes. So the tunica media is in charge of having the arteries dilate and constrict, so that if the arteries dilate, then more blood can go through, right? More oxygen can be transferred. And so the dilation and the constriction adjust the pressures felt on the arterial walls during systolic pumping, which the systolic part is when the heart kind of like contracts and like squeezes blood out. So as the muscle contracts, the walls will feel more pressure from the left ventricle. Similarly, as the vessels dilate, the pressure observed will drop because there will be more space for the blood to flow through, right? And then tunica intima, this is the most inner layer. And it creates a tube for the oxygen-rich blood to move through to reach the appropriate site of distribution. In this way, there is no leakage from the artery, and the nutrient-rich blood can move to the appropriate area before it unloads oxygen and other nutrients. So arteries are important because they carry oxygen. Without oxygen, our cells will die. So we need oxygen. We can't live without oxygen, right? And then arteries also keep homeostasis, which, like, if your body is acting up, your arteries tell your body to, for example, like, homeostasis is when you're too hot, your body sweats in order to cool you down, right? So arteries are good for homeostasis. If a person does not take care of their health And as they age, health issues develop and arteries stiffen and thicken, which causes major health problems. So arteries start to clog and develop plaque inside them, and the blood can't flow as well. And this is due to age, lack of exercise, and bad diet. Veins also have the 3 layers. Do you guys remember the 3 layers? Who? Lily. Can you name the 3 layers?
Tunica externa, tunica media, tunica.
Intima. Very good. Would you like blueberries or
I would
almonds?
love blueberries.
Okay. How about you, Lily?
I'm okay, please.
Okay. Awesome. So the veins have the same 3 layers, right? Dr. Brew? Sure. Okay, no problem. So veins carry blood toward the heart. After the blood passes through the capillaries, it enters the smallest veins which are called venules. And then as it goes back to the heart, the veins get larger and larger. And then so there are different type of veins. There are deep veins. These veins can be found in your muscles, and along your bones. And your deep veins do the important work of moving your oxygen-poor blood back to your heart. In your legs, they hold about 90% of the blood. They bring back about the 90% of blood travels back to the heart through the deep veins. So your deep veins contain one-way valves that keep your blood moving in the right direction, so that blood doesn't oxygen-poor blood doesn't just go back to your legs again. Superficial veins are veins that we can see, like when you're working out, you get a pump and you can see the veins like on your arms, as it shows in the picture. So superficial veins are generally smaller than your deep veins. Like deep veins, they contain valves, but unlike deep veins, they are not surrounded by muscle. So your superficial veins carry blood from your outer tissues near the surface of your skin to your deep veins. But this blood moves more slowly since it's not being directly squeezed into motion by surrounding muscles. And then there are perforating veins. These veins are short veins that carry blood from your superficial veins to your deep veins. So how do we keep our blood vessels healthy? How do we keep our veins healthy? How do we keep our arteries healthy? First of all, we have to stay active, right? We have to exercise, and we have to eat healthy, stay hydrated, and yeah, those are some simple ways that we can keep our arteries and our veins healthy. Because if we don't take care of our blood vessels, then we'll have a lot of health issues. We can have heart diseases and cholesterol problems, stuff like that. So it's important to be active, eat well, drink water, and stuff. So that's it for the presentation, but I have Kahoot for you guys, and I also have something that I wanted to hand out to you guys. So have you guys ever seen this at your doctor's appointment, when you went to a doctor's appointment? Mm-hmm. They put it on your finger, right? Do you guys know what it tests?
Blood pressure.
Yeah, it tests how well your body is transporting oxygen, right? So I want you guys to pass it on and try it. If it says anywhere from 95 to 100, that means your arteries are doing a good job transporting oxygen to your body. But if it's lower, you may have to see a doctor or something like that. Let's go. Okay, guys, if you guys can pull up Kahoot. One second, it's loading. Awesome. Okay. Try to get in, and the top 3 will get some almonds or blueberries. Okay, one more.
I'm almost there.
Awesome. Everyone's in?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
He's right there by the door.
What carries blood away from the heart?
Yeah.
Awesome. Most of you got it.
Okay.
Jake, let's go. What carries blood back to the heart? Oh, well done, everyone. Jake's still at the top. If an adult's blood vessels were stretched out in one line, how many times could it go around the earth?
7.
Most of you got it. Good job. It's 4 times, yeah. Go, Lily. In models, what color is arterial blood?
Let's go!
Good, good.
I love that. Oh, yeah.
Let's go, Jake. Let's go, Lily. What color is the actual deoxygenated blood in the veins?
Ah, crap. Oh, wait, I put the wrong thing. Oh, I put it right. Never mind. Let's go.
Dark red for the veins, and then bright red for arteries. What color is the actual deoxygenated blood in the veins? Wait, we just did this one.
Are you kidding?
My bad.
So I got missed.
What is the inner layer of the artery called? Very good. Most of you got it.
Just drop out of me.
Jake, you got it. Good job, Lily. What is a good way to keep your blood vessels healthy? Good. That's an easy one. Arteries are important to keep homeostasis. True or false? True. Very good. Last one. Blood coming back to the heart starts with venules, and then goes into larger veins. True or false? Good job, guys. Good job. Let's see the podium.
I was sabotaged.
Sam. Who's Sam? Sam came in third.
Sam is Sam.
Oh, Sam is. Good job, Sam. Lily, good job. Would you like blueberries or chocolate dip almonds? Almonds, awesome. And then Jake, how about you?
I